Hello everyone, I'm Holger Neubert. I'm one of the organizers of the 9th International Symposium on Piezocomposite Applications 2022, which will be held in Dresden in Germany from September 14 to 16 next year. Together with Thomas Daue from Smart Material Corporation, I'm calling you to submit an abstract by March 4 next year for the following reasons. The ISPA is the only meeting with special focus on materials, technology and applications of piezoelectric composites. Every 2 years, the ISPA brings together international top-class experts from industry and application-oriented research for sharing latest innovations, findings and experiences. Furthermore, I cordially invite you to participate as an exhibitor or to support the ISPA as a sponsor. So please, submit an abstract and make sure that you can attend this wonderful meeting. I'm looking forward to meeting you in Dresden next year.